Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Today we are going to learn Course Book Chapter 11 Paper Boards. This poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore, who was an Indian poet. He won Nobel Prize for Literature. He also composed the national anthem of India and Bangladesh. This poem is about a childhood experience. It narrates the child's experience of making paper boats float down the stream. Children, you all love the world of playfulness and fun. You also like to make paper boats and float it during the rainy season. Now listen to this poem about a boy who floats paper boats to send his message. Day by day, I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big black letters, I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. I load my little boats with surely flowers from our garden and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. I launch my paper boats and look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting their white bulging sails. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. When night comes, I bury my face in my arms and dream that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them, and the lading is their baskets full of dreams. Hear the boy in the poem. Day after day, he floats paper boats down the running stream. The boy writes his name and the name of his village on each boat that he floats in the stream. So, why did he write his name and name of his village on each boat? Because he hopes that someday someone in distant land will read it and get to know who he is. He also places surely flowers from his garden in them, hoping that the flowers, which are blossoms of dawn, will be carried safely to land at night. That means they will bloom at night in some distant land. And what is the meaning of surely flowers? It's a Bengali name for night flowering jasmine. The child launches his paper boats. Launches means set the boat in motion by pushing it into the water. When he looks at the sky, he is able to make out the huge, bulky sails of the clouds. The boy wonders about his secret playmate who lives in the sky and sends his cloud boats to race against his paper boats. That means the boy thinks of a playmate up in the sky who sends little clouds with bulging sails to race with his paper boats. At night, the child buries his face in his arms and sleeps. He dreams that his paper boats will continue to float under the midnight stars. He goes on to say that his paper boats carry fairies of sleep and baskets full of dreams. The child imagines his paper boats to be carrying fairies to sleep and baskets full of dreams. So, children, hope you enjoy this poem. This poem is a simple children's poem. You all love making paper boats, flying kites, making planes, etc. These are some of the childhood games. All of you read this poem and learn it. Also complete your work in your English copy. Next class we continue the same book. Have a nice day. Thank you.